Millions of people around the world have taken a hit as the COVID-19 pandemic continues to smash global economies. But several of the world's richest people have done rather well, above all an Indian tycoon who became the fifth richest man in the world. This story began when a 16-year-old boy crossed the seas and moved to Yemen and started working as petrol pump attendant. He returned to India in his mid-20s and set up a business in a tiny office for just Rs 150 a month. Slowly, with his hard work, he built an empire and it became India's largest private enterprise. He called it Reliance Industries, and the man's name is Dhirubhai Ambani. When Dhirubhai died of stroke in 2002, the family was thrown into disarray. His two sons, Mukesh Ambani and Anil Ambani, were left with a huge fortune, which led to a feud that captivated Indian media for over a decade. The feud has gone from boardrooms to courtrooms. The split has reached a state where it has led to a nasty fight for empires. Anil Ambani could not match up to the winning ambitions or aspirations or even accomplishments of his elder brother. It was Mukesh who swept in the 11th hour and saved his brother from a perpetual loss of fortune and market share. Ambani is the only Asian in the elite list of the top 10 richest people in the world. His net worth is valued at $78.3 billion. His sudden jump in billionaire status saw him overtake Warren Buffett and Elon Musk in 2020, meaning that the only people who are currently richer than Ambani are Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates and Mark Zuckerberg. In the span of 8 months, Ambani's wealth has increased by around $22 billion. Focusing on e-commerce, his company Jio Platforms has attracted big tech investors like Facebook and Google. Google is committed to spend around $10 billion over the next few years to help accelerate digital technologies in India. Facebook also invested $5.7 billion in Jio Platforms in April. This was the world's largest fundraising exercises, and Ambani set an example by doing so in the midst of the pandemic. 12 other investors pumped money into the company, making Reliance debt-free company by June 2020. Ambani said this was a target that was set for March 2021, but he is way ahead. These investors hooked on to Jio after the incredible rise in users the company managed to attract. Over 400 million people have joined the Jio network since its inception. With so many millions aligned to his brand, Ambani became a household name and national obsession. Mukesh Ambani has been perceived as a visionary because he is running all his business successfully. He is extraordinarily ambitious and determined. Reliance Jio was so powerful that it has made other telecom operators either to merger among themselves or Jio had forced them to exit the Indian market. Now, the Reliance Industries Limited goes for a deal-making spree. Mukesh Ambani is now eyeing multiple takeovers in tech and consumers business space. The company is looking at investment in at least 6 different companies, which also includes TikTok. In an interview, he was asked what he would have done at the age of 25. He said, "If I were a 25-year-old again, Reliance Industries would have been 10 times bigger." No doubt he can do that.